Hey guys, welcome you all in the fourth episode of digital marketing series, and today in this video I'm going to tell you the secrets, the hacks to grow your Instagram in 2020. What the algorithm says, what are the methods you have to follow in 2020 to grow your Instagram and reach skies. So guys, this is Varun and I welcome you all in the 108th episode of Tuesday Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please click on the button and also on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Guys, Instagram or any social media platform is about consistency. Consistency is the major key and the major role that plays into growing your any sort of account, which can be your YouTube, your Snapchat, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, or any other account, any other social media, or you can say Pinterest. Because consistency means you are providing some valuable things to your viewers, your followers. So to all those followers, you are giving something in return. So my first point for today, which is the most important and highly recommended by most of the people and all the digital marketers in the world, which is that you have to select a niche and you have to select your audience. You have to select a niche and an audience. So what does this make? What's the difference in all both the things? You have to select your niche means you have to select what particular niche you are going to make your content, which can be anything. It can be a photography, it can be technology, it can be personality development, it can be some music or something, it can be anything. Or if you want to grow your business, so you can put your niche as your own business, whatever you are dealing in. So all those things. If you are dealing in fashion, so make a fashion page and you can start with that. So that's the basic thing. You have to follow your niche. So for your niche, you have to first decide for whom you are making a content. You have to decide that thing, because you have a separate audience for your niche. You have to make that audience and you have to grow that audience. So that audience needs something so that they'll follow. What particular thing you are providing to them so that they'll follow. Why they will come on your page? You have to give some value addition. You have to give something to them. So that's why you have to add a value to your page. You have to provide something to them. If you are coming to my channel, you are coming here for informative videos. So I'm providing you something. I'm providing you some information. That's why you are coming. If there is a business coach, he's providing some business strategies to people to grow their business. So that's business coach account and that's the blogging sector. So you have to provide something to your viewers so that they'll come. Sit down and analyze what people you follow, what people on social media you are following currently. Analyze those. I'm sure there must be some reason that you are following some people, and there must be something that their page gives to you. That's why you are following them. It can be anything. It can be entertainment purpose, it can be music, it can be some information, it can be some tips, it can be some coaching, it can be some fitness, it can be anything, it can be any sort of business. So this was my first tip, and I hope you will start and follow all these things. So the next point, that's a good connection between my first point and this one, which is you have to make a shareable content. You have to make relatable content. If your content is not shareable, then why people are going to share that and why people are going to promote that? Right? If you are putting up your own selfie, that's not a shareable content. But if you are putting some of your best clicks, or if you are putting some tips that are yours that you are giving to them, so that's a shareable content, and that's an interesting content that people might follow. So you have to give them something that can be shareable. Everyone says you have to just like, you have to comment, you have to also you have to follow or subscribe, but nobody says that you have to share. Sharing means you are increasing your viewership, right? If a person will like your page or will follow your page, then that will be one follower. But if that person share in their WhatsApp group, let's suppose, or on their Facebook pages or Facebook group, then 10 people will see that, and there are chances that 2 to 3 people might open up that link, right? So via one viewer you are gaining 2 more. That's 1 + 2 strategy. So yes, you have to make some shareable content. Start making some content, analyze your niche, and then analyze your audience, as my first point says. Then you have to decide what content you have to give to them. What's one thing that is shareable on your content, and start making hundreds of those things simultaneously so that people are sharing. You can put up anything, you can ask questions, you can ask, tag on Instagram there are a lot of games and a lot of strategies going on, tag this, tag that, so you can ask them to tag people, or you can share on their Instagram pages only directly, right? So that's a very good thing you guys can do. And Instagram means engaging, so by tagging you are engaging, right? So that's again a major thing that you have to focus. Person is interested in your any sort of content, so for that you have to start making videos. Make play a very good role in engaging your content, because you are interacting with that person. It's not one-way communication, it's a two-way communication over there, because a person is like, if anyone is scrolling, they might see an image and they might scroll up, but if a person is coming up, they might stop on that video, they'll see that video for 1 minute, or if it's an IGTV video, they'll continue that, watching that, and then they will engage in a better form, and it's a very interactive content and people are interested in watching videos. So start making videos on Instagram. So let's move on to the third point, which is stop buying and start focusing. Most of the people, when they start their pages or their channels, they start buying everything. They start buying their followers, they start buying their likes, they start buying their comments. Yes, everything can be purchased, you guys can purchase that, but that is a dead audience. Once you have paid them, your likes will come, the number of likes will come there, the number of followers will come there, but what next? When if you are buying all those things, then at one point of time you are going to be out of funds, because every time you can't do that. But if you are doing so, you have to do that for a long time, because people will see that it's a fake thing, right? People will analyze that. Nobody is that dumb in today's world. They'll analyze and they'll see that you are doing something fake, some methods which are fake, and getting the numbers over there. But Instagram is not all about numbers, it's about content, it's about value additions. So if you are just buying, you are in a dead spot, you are in a dead hole, you can't go forward. Start focusing on what your audience is demanding, and in all those comment section people must be demanding, like, you have to make content on that, content on this, as this is the video I'm making on your demand. Most of the people asked me to make this video, so that's why I'm here from my digital marketing series making this video. So I'm doing that, as people are also doing, so you guys can also do it. Let's move to the next point, which is related to your paid strategy, which is SEO, search engine optimization. Yes, Instagram also has search engine optimization, and it plays a major role in that. First of all, on Instagram you have to change your name. Suppose my name is Varun Lilani, so my page is under Tuesday Talks. So instead of just writing Tuesday Talks, you can see over here in the video, instead of writing just Tuesday Talk, I have written informative videos. Means what I am providing it to you, why you have to follow my page. If your page is on photography, then instead of writing your name, just the name, write photographer or a filmmaker, and then just add your name over there. If you are having some sort of creative DIY pages, so write DIY, write art and craft, and then write your name, because that's a very good thing for your SEO, because anyone searching, nobody knows you right now, nobody knows your name. So why they will search Tuesday Talks, or why they will search any sort of photographer's name, right? Because you are not that famous right now. You have to go, people are going to search what the keyword they want. They want DIY, they'll write DIY. They want informative videos, they'll write informative videos. So once anyone is searching informative videos, it will automatically come up. So that's a very good important thing. And also you have to use good keywords in your bio, and also some of the good professional emoticons you have to use, because only a bio and a text doesn't look good. Use some emoticons over there. You have to use a good image so that it attracts your viewers, and if you have a logo, use that logo, it will attract people. And then I'm sure you will grow some from all these tips. Let's move to the next tip, which is long form captions and hashtags. Hashtags play a very important role, and also the long form captions. So what are long form captions? Long form captions are something, it's kind of a micro blog, it's kind of a mini blog. So you are providing some content to them which users are reading. It's kind of a mini blog because Instagram give you 2200 word limit, so, character limit. So that's a very good limit for a micro blog, because if you are doing any sort of blogging, so create a mini blog of that. You're providing value addition, like anyone can read, so keep it short. If you are providing tips, so put all the headings of those tips in that. So this is a very good way that person is reading, they are analyzing, and if they want to click the link in bio, they can go to your blog. That can be one method. And the other method is, if they are reading, they are getting some value, and there are a lot of keywords in that blog, so it is a very good, it has a very good chance for major likes and also shares, because you are providing the content, it has good keywords, so it can come on to an explore page also. Also using hashtags tops onto that, it's a cherry on the cake. So you are using hashtags, it means it will give you a very good reach, because most of the people nowadays are following hashtags, and people put up hashtags on, there are 1 million, 2 million, 10 million people focusing and following that particular hashtag. So your reach will be very good if you are putting up hashtags. I'm going to make a video specifically dedicated on content writing and hashtags coming up very soon, so do watch that. So by the time you just focus on lot of hashtags related to your content, what your content is, make some different groups of hashtags and then focus on that, and it should be like good number. There are 30 number of hashtags allowed, so use them. Those are very good for your reach. The next point is all the methods you are doing, and you will get results slowly and gradually. You guys have to be patient. Yes, that's the point, be patient. Nothing comes in this world overnight, right? You have to do a lot, give a lot of dedication, consistency, and also be patient. Things will come down to you. Results won't come in one night, it will take good time. So for that, practice all the points and be patient. Results are going to come like sooner or later, they are going to come eventually. The next point is call to action. You have to put a call to action button in your bio, in your page, so that if anyone likes your content, they can directly message you, or they can call you, or they can email you. If they want to ask anything, they can email you, and you can put them on your email subscribers list or emailers list, and you can send them their blog links, your upcoming videos, upcoming posts, upcoming content. So this is a very good way. And a call to action, you can take them to your website, and they can follow your website, they can subscribe on your website, and they can watch your other content too. So it is a very good method and a very good way for enhancing, for engaging and getting some loyal followers, some loyal people around you. So guys, I hope you all like this video. Start doing all these things from today, and I'm sure you will show a good growth. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any sort of queries, you can also DM me on Instagram. My handle is coming over here. So guys, follow this strategy, and also in the comment section place your Instagram handle, so I can go and watch your page, and I'll see what the things you are not doing right, and I can give you some suggestions on that. So please, in the comment section, write down your Instagram name, your Instagram handle name, and I'll check it out. So guys, I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. This is Varun, Lilani signing off.